Would you believe that snoring and gravity share a connection with each other? Let's break them down one by one. When the airways leading to the lungs are obstructed or narrowed down, it becomes difficult to breathe. To overcome the blockage, our body uses all its strength and might to forcefully breathe, causing the tissues of the throat to vibrate loudly, also known as snoring. And at times, when you're fast asleep on your back, gravity can pull your tongue back, narrow the airways, and lead to the inevitable cry for air, a loud snore. There you go, gravity and snoring. Hey, knowing this, do you think we would snore in outer space? Comment and subscribe.